How to be a HSBC Premier customer. HSBC Premier is usually offered to customers with a high level of income or substantial savings. Eligibility criteria may vary by country, so it's essential to check the specific requirements for your region. HSBC Premier often requires customers to maintain a high minimum balance or have a qualifying level of income. This can include salary crediting, investment holdings, or a combination of both. Many countries have a minimum income requirement for HSBC Premier eligibility. This could be in the form of a monthly salary, an annual income, or a combination of both. Some HSBC Premier accounts may require maintaining a minimum balance across various accounts, such as savings, current, or investment accounts. Visit the HSBC website or your local HSBC branch to find information on how to apply for HSBC Premier. The application process may involve completing an online application form or visiting a branch to speak with a representative. Prepare necessary documentation, such as proof of identity, proof of address, and proof of income. This may include government-issued ID, utility bills, pay stubs, or tax documents. Carefully review the terms and conditions associated with HSBC Premier membership. Accept the terms and conditions during the application process. After submitting your application and required documents, you may need to wait for approval. HSBC will assess your eligibility based on the provided information. Once approved, you will be notified of your HSBC Premier status. You may receive a Premier welcome pack with information about your new account features and benefits. As an HSBC Premier customer, you'll gain access to a range of exclusive benefits, including personalized services, global support, preferential rates, and more. Eligibility criteria and requirements may vary by country and region. It's crucial to check with your local HSBC branch or refer to the official HSBC website for the most accurate and up-to-date information. That's how you can be a HSBC Premier customer.